Hey guys, today let's talk about trap bar deadlift. So trap bar deadlift is actually one of my favorite deadlifts to incorporate. With trap bar, the biggest thing is you're going to be using a little more quads and less back with it, along with the neutral grip. I love that neutral grip. It's easier to hold onto than a regular bar, regular conventional deadlift. And it is a little thinner too, so it's not as thick, obviously easier to hold as well. So when you come into do a trap bar deadlift, just like a regular deadlift, what you're going to be doing is first you're hinging at the hips and then you're coming down. From here, you want to make sure that your back is nice and straight, and I'll go ahead and show you on the side view as well. Nice neutral spine, and all you're going to do is basically think of a leg pressing the floor away from you. Just drive straight up and back down, down, hinging a little back, and then squatting. So here, I'll switch this side as well too for you guys to see. Coming down, leg press the floor away, hinge and go down. I hope that helps, guys. If you have any questions at all, please feel free, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.